My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. News about Sheggz and Bella breakup don't spark reaction online, and Sheggz don't come out come talk about the matter too. So of recent, a few hours ago, somebody come out come drop one kind news like that. According to the person say in a friend, a mutual friend to Sheggz friend, and na the lady now inform her of this particular news. So according to Ryan, say Sheggz and Bella they don't break up a few weeks ago, during that last year December. But due to the circumstances wey surround the relationship, wey be say people dey insult Bella, say she accept person like Sheggz, wey be say dey abuse her for inside the house, all those type of thing. So the thing na come make Bella no fit come out to come accept say her relationship with Sheggz don hit rock bottom.
If you dey watch dis video and you never subscribe, abeg try make you subscribe, like dis video, help me share am and drop your comments for the comment section below. Una thank you.
The person further explain to say the another reason why Bella dey fear to come out come talk about her na she dey fear backlash from her fans, from people wey warn her, from her family, all those type of thing. The person further explain to say Bella get belle for Sheggz, then she come remove the pikin as Sheggz tell her say e never ready for marriage. So if we check am, you go notice say the December photo shoot, that one wey be say dem dey wear pyjamas, wey be say different couples snap, say Sheggz and Bella no snap their own, say na later they come snap their own, come post am. Sheggz dey always sleep out of the house when and Bella dey stay, say Sheggz go comot, e go go club, e go come back in the following day, say the thing don dey turn to reoccurrence for their relationship. Bella don talk to am about am, but the guy no wan lis ten. The person further explain to say Bella and Sheggz don try to work things out together, but things are not just working out for the both of them any longer. To the ex ten t sef say Sheggz sister wey dem dey call Tomi no dey talk to Sheggz anymore, because the sister dey claim say Bella dey rude and very nasty. The person wey the informant still explain give us to say if we go Tomi page and Bella page, we go see say the Tomi wey be Sheggz sister no dey like Bella pictures anymore. Even Bella sister wey be say Sandra, una know Sandra na that Flavour baby mama, say that one don stop to dey like Sheggz pictures anymore for Instagram. Say the two families, as a matter of fact, dem no dey in talking terms. The informant also explain to say the reason why be say Sheggz dey reluctant to even settle down with Bella na because Bella brother wey dey call Chris, the guy talk say he no go ever accept person like Sheggz, because the brother wey be Chris no gree accept Sheggz. The brother wey be Chris come get a falling out with their elder sister wey be Sandra, because of this their relationship. See, so Sheggz come recently travel go London sometime last week Thursday, and just to get away from Bella, to so that he go clear her head, all those type of thing. Bella family don beg am say make e no react for online, so that people no go know wetin dey sup between him and Bella. The person also make reference to that ask me a question wey be say Bella do a few days ago. I post am for my video for here. Those of you wey never watch am, go watch am so that you go understand where the whole matter from start. So according to the Q&A question wey be say Bella do for Instagram, the person talk say if you go through that Q&A, say you go realize say there's real trouble in their paradise. To cut long story short, the person talk say right now Bella no dey eat anymore, she dey lose weight because she no fit eat anymore, and Bella dey put a lot of pressure on Sheggz to go see her family so that he go do the necessary right for her. So with all this plenty write up wey be say the person write, I say make I just talk am in a brief way, because I know say a lot of una, none of you dey read all this plenty to where the person write for here. So with all the bit wey be say dey go on, Sheggz come out come respond immediately. He just drop, Sheggz just come out come attack the post immediately. So him come for the page, him come first come say someone sent a DM: the joblessness in Naija, no one wants to work. This is the last time I will address nonsense. My wife and I are good. He lay emphasis on my wife. My wife and I am allowed to go and see my family real quick. Didn't see Momsi for New Year's or Christmas. You all are weird. Just see come, you come put laughing emoji, come say must be madness. Come put another laughing emoji. So immediately he make this statement, people come to say, why you go come out come quickly debunk this thing if not be true? You no suppose come out come respond. So make I read some of the comment for under that post. So the first person here come say, see how you quickly debunked. It means there's some truth to the story. Come put laughing emoji. My wife and I, but you never put ring on her finger. Sha, don't let her lose her womb. Oh, fear God. Another person come say, if this is true, na Ekuke I go blame. She saw all the signs. I knew all along that Boiler never liked her that much. Boiler never liked her that much. Else he would have married her long ago. Imagine dating someone child for almost going 3 years now. Engagement, no engagement. Ikuke should just put herself first and shame that boy like cause he use her to whitewash his slate. E get one thing wey be say people no know, never judge a pain wey you never experience. A lot of people, if you check, and the people wey be say they even laugh as much, they don dey for their own relationship for 11 years, 12 years, but everybody go wan become saint when they come online. Another person come say people have time to sit down and analyze people's life. Now wow, I'm not their fan, but stop cooking lies about them. You all people want to break them up so bad. Na so dey be for this our country now. I no know wetin be the obsession with sheep for this Big Brother Naija show. People dey date each other. How is it anybody's business? Why people dey so invested in this particular sheep now? I no still understand. Wetin dey so special about the sheep wey everybody dey want to make two of them break up? Okay oh. So the next person come say, why do people pretend to be your friends only to expose your secret on media? No be today person dey break up. I don't even like these two people, but this is a discussion out on the informant's part. Like e no jig abeg. One thing wey be say I go always dey talk say, you see your enemy dey always dey within your circle. First, a total stranger no fit just come out come dey tell people your story. Must be somebody wey be say dey in bit wey be their friend, wey be say don hear some kind things about their matter, go just come out come talk am online. The last person here say it will be good on Bella if she make it public so other guys can come. Sheggz is not the beginning and the end of her life. She should have known that tribe differences will play a part in their relationship. See this one na na abstract e dey talk. Wetin come concern tribe? Is it because Bella is Igbo and Sheggz is Yoruba? What has that got to do with their relationship? No be wetin dem call am, Davido marry Igbo girl, so is he not Yoruba? Imagine Sheggz and Bella wey be say don dey at ten d people wedding for how many for months now. They don dey even for Christmas. Una no see the video wey be say they drop for Christmas wey two of them do video for Christmas wey be say they go outing. So which one come be say they break up? Even if they break up, and so a lot of people they date, they break up. You dating somebody no mean to say the person go una two go eventually end up in marriage anyways. So I no see a big deal for this news. If not be say I dey carry news now, I for not even talk about am because it's none of my concern. Una take care, una bye.